Ladies and gentlemen, our favorite grandmama, Miss Bernice Jenkins.
Yeah.
It's getting hot in hell.
Oh.
That's what the song need to be, Jane. It's getting hot in hell.
Yeah.
All y'all out there that's sinning and have not given your life to the Lord, you're going to be singing that song. It's getting hot in hell. That's what they're going to be singing, Janie.
Oh, that's a song, ain't it?
Yeah, but that's because we trying to go to heaven and we ain't going to hell. As soon as you hear the trumpet sound, get ready.
Yeah.
He's coming back. What will you be doing when he blow the trumpet, when you hear? Will you be at the club when you hear? Or will you be at church when you hear? Where will you be when the trumpet sounds? Here's our church announcement this morning. Govern yourself. We are so happy for Cecil and Loretha Abbott, who gave birth. It's what?
It's Miss Loretha.
Loretha Abbott, who gave birth to a healthy young man last Friday.
Oh, no.
And they are home from the hospital. Now, Cecil is 87 years old, and Loretha is 73.
Oh.
And the baby came out at 39 years old already.
Oh, my.
The baby already got a job at UPS, which he will be starting working on Monday, praise God. He can do solid foods, but he still had to have a bottle. Congratulations to Deacon Ray Pruitt and his wife Gloria.
Yeah.
Their daughter Shanithia graduates high school next month and has a full scholarship to start working as a starting stripper at Magic City in Atlanta this summer.
Oh.
And she been twerking on TikTok since the 5th grade, and we are proud that she's been recognized for her talents, and now she can get paid. And help Deacon Ray Pruitt and Gloria pay some bills in that house.
Oh.
Now,
Got a strip club scholarship.
the homegoing service for Sister Geneva Harris' father, Percy Harris. You know Percy?
Yeah.
Percy Harris Sr. is the funeral gonna be Saturday at 1 o'clock. He was 84, and he spent the last 9 years fighting ingrown toenails, severe back itching, kidney spasm. But what took him out, he had got a pig heart in a transplant last month. And they went to the Waffle House, and he couldn't resist the urge to jump over the counter and throw himself on the grill and fry himself into bacon. You understand that, Janie?
Yeah.
He got a pig heart in a transplant surgery.
Yeah.
And he went to the Waffle House and he jumped over the counter and threw himself on the grill and fried himself in the bacon. Smelled good too, but it's gonna be a closed casket.
No,
Where will you be when the trumpet sound? That concludes our church announcement.